Pagkanunin na kanaburo ito kanisa to siguro ligri kaloko 7:30 and
sending morning vibes to everyone tuning in this beautiful morning. It's 7:30 now, and many students are boarding the bus to make their way to their respective schools, and also parents to go to work.
What is your main aim today?
My main aim today is to work and go home. That's it. And to be happy.
All right, that's the reason why we are being here.
Right.
Be happy, lovely, be care in nature of anyone who come across you in this morning. You know, today is this day. Exam 2 for the assessment for the children in the primary school.
Right.
Because we are coming to an end of the term.
Right.
Today is week what, Noah?
Week 11. Today is week 11. This week is week 11, yes. And students, many students in many schools are undergoing remedial revision for their students because next week is term 1 end examination.
Toribol talaga ni kuwa tigubutagin tudon mitigubutagin na dira kaloko na matag ni kuwa na itutunga sa tukuni biro ni buli grade na singabinang ni kuwa. Me baleta na also sininguli sal niku some of our listeners will face a bit delay in their transport this morning and buku ni vi ka sa merong di suga na matakabi na kuwa and buku ni ngole ki palelebu and kira na magiti na song ni vitaladi song ni bosu ngele we rangon turanga na presidente pagadengu sama imbale Ratu Epeli na ilatikau. Pokoknya di belakang sini bikin nanda bonito lili to all our drivers tuning in this morning and to all the passengers inside the bus, minivan or taxi. Pokoknya di belakang buru bito kan di nama tadi kuah. Kere pokoknya murian lauri ngoli salah ke bahasa oso kakuri bakatang sidi. Bala tersin ni wali na lengang gori. Kere mongol ngapa malua. Ke bakana maniado na tartar merokisi rua na matagdi kuah. In the cell kana meaning na lori. Merokisi na matagdi kuah. Sana kay dosar na tamani lengali.
You will cause trouble in the traffic society of our nation.
Right.
So you need to be careful, be patient all the time.
Right.
Be in a respectful manner of the life of the driving. Respect one another and especially to the pedestrian as gang.
Something that I was witnessing this morning as we were sitting outside waiting for the funeral procession to go down, to pass. There are some of us who still don't understand what to do in that kind of situation.
Right.
Right. When the funeral procession is being nangono sa pasisumbukina sa ngoli sumbutiga na Waimanu Road, some are still walking.
Okay.
Right. And it's very important for us to teach our kids, our young ones, the importance of or what to do when they come across that situation.
Dinasar.
Ni pasi endua na funeral procession. Right. If you are walking on the road and if you happen to pass or come across something like that similar, it's important to just stand still. And in this case, we were sitting down on the roadside.
Roadside,
right.
The topic this morning goes back to the family.
Right.
Kake dere tinga ibal he na buri bito kani. Gasi buli ngai to mananga na bika sa kela road sugman ngone.
Right.
Gasi buli ngai to mananga na bika pa buli dikina meron kila kana ngone and be subject do indu me buki ko ya na bika me balata na to na bika ke de boya ni bosa na kake de e do me liunga me ibal. Okay, our topic this morning the Messi. Na parts of the body.
FU444, good morning to Junior Mwakalu.
Yan benar ke Junior.
Okay, matay sa nando madalta ka na tikiniang.
Right.
Nando monda.
The esophagus. The esophagus play a major role in our life.
Right.
We are different from the chicken. The kitchen they got crop.
The kitchen.
The chicken. The chicken they got crop. The food are being symbolized 2 times.
Right.
Isin mama pangarua, they kept in that crop. Ni ura libang ko na mambunra na to the chest.
Right.
And dun tumailiw. That's where small stone,
right,
small particles, they are kept in to help them grind them
right,
food.
Right.
In us, in us human beings, no. In our esophagus, if we take esophagus, tarali na mo tilo-tilo. They are different layer.
Okay.
Different lab.
All right.
They have. They got a muscular tissue that help you swallow.
Right. That helps transport the
Before
food.
before enter to the mouth,
Right.
you got teeth there, you got tongue.
Right.
Yes.
You got saliva.
Right.
Yes.
The
Breaks down.
enzymes,
Right.
yeah,
Breaks down the food.
that help them break the food.
Right.
Yeah.
And also from there, another door
Right.
before you go to the esophagus.
Right.
You know the one kono muya meleka.
Yeah.
That's the door, the captain door.
Yeah.
The last say
Yeah.
before going to your esophagus.
Right, right.
If you see your neck
Yeah.
outside, you never know what is inside.
They will
Yes.
talk about the neck mandang amay.
Yeah.
Because the head is rotated.
Right.
Neck roll.
Neck roll is rotated.
Yeah.
You rotate like this.
Yeah.
Eyes on the right, eyes on the left, in front, downward,
Yeah, yeah.
bottom.
Yeah.
If you want to see,
Yeah, yeah.
If you want to see, why can't we go at the back? Because a spinal cord is there.
Right.
Well,
The Messi is the only one in this world who can see his
Rotate.
Yeah, no.
Oh.
Okay, rin rin tel nang tamona.
Right,
Like
like this.
na
See,
to ataki. Then after that, because a spinal cord, that's
Yeah.
what we call in Fijian the wolia.
Yeah.
Right.
The wolia, when somebody massage your back,
Yeah.
massage ta kana na punin to momungo, that's why be careful of the wolia.
Yeah.
Balik na wolia ko rin baka punan no mu lengka. Baka rin baka sisiya no mga baka baka mo pandi mai.
Yeah.
Iyo. Ni ko masya. That's why be careful of your wolia. Right.
Right.
Tabu kina wolia ko rin yo officer nga.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. That's why we never go like this. Wakando mo ni
Yeah.
Lulu.
Yeah.
370 degrees
Yeah.
rotation.
270.
270.
Right.
Right, right.
Eh? Asking.
370 sa sivila 360.
Aywa.
Yeah.
Then from there,
Yeah.
we eat the food
Yeah.
to help us going down. Eh?
Yeah.
But not in a big particle.
Right.
Right.
Lako ilo manatolona.
Right.
Iko mo mama, mentanta.
Right.
Ni sa malumo na kaka nang kaila ko sumbo. Because to help you
Yeah.
rotate. Because here, after the esophagus,
Right.
different tubes are there.
Right.
That's why sometimes you eat rice or lako na laki mo rice siya. Why yung uno ba?
PVC pa.
Kila?
Yeah.
Iko because
Durdala.
Durdala.
Yeah.
Because that's the different tube after the esophagus.
Yeah.
They are started
Yeah, why?
to make it.
Yeah.
Kaya be careful of what you eat and be careful how you chew your food.
Yeah.
Eat in a relaxed environment.
Right.
Yeah.
Kunyo kodo.
Right.
Eh? Mama pa pinanganak kemu.
Yeah.
To help you grow faster and
Kana
chew
ba
up
din
and
din
fast.
na? Eh?
Huh?
It's good to say. Kana ba din din na?
So the esophagus is a what? Is a tissue or muscle or whatever?
It's not a muscle.
Yeah.
He himself got his
It's
own,
a muscular it's a muscular tube,
yeah.
eh?
Right.
Okay, tube.
Right. 10 to 13 inch.
Tube.
Yes, muscular tube.
Replace ta kanu mo kango rin na ka PVC.
PVC meant not the Yeah, that's why we need to be careful of
Right.
our esophagus because
Yes,
that's
yes.
the only tube
Yeah.
that transport
Transport.
the food
from the
our
mouth
mouth
to the
down
stomach.
to our body.
Right.
Wana now,
in a system.
wana now,
Stomach,
wana now.
yes.
Amo mo sa roch ka di pa kaya?
Don't binaka.
Yeah, mo do churong kire-kire.
May.
Mo sa Demes is would like to see Dr. John in the morning sometimes next week.
Right.
Me levi so ta kino ka ni tubu ni nona body
Batingo.
texture. Tuno ka mesalo bata ng batsina.
Yeah.
Mesalo chicken nona esophagus. Ko mesalo mamasar chicken nona kakanela. Mesalo mamasar
Ay
chicken.
ato sino ko na ikaw daw tumbat ni buro ay nangangabo.
Hey,
Imagine if we like that no
yeah.
Right.
sa kunimbiu loba ng batim.
Eh.
Sa biu tumay tumba. Untuk ni mo kay tumo som.
Ele. Doy
Hey.
na kami London, ni Lola Manin nanti ba karo kumpula umbua.
Miau bulare. Isa.
Emar nanti anda benaka ili, anda benaka seta kalau sese, anda benaka meline anda lebo. Blessed Thursday, nanta keke estate, reketi maduata.
Miau bulare kaya masi, miau bulare. Ngona turangan ni
nakalo.
nakalo.
Bimbi ni esophagus and
Yeah.
buni job ya ka ba?
Right.
And mataka binang ni kuwa sa kabimbi non tamaro na tikini ang onda tudoko.
Don't
Bala
binaka.
ta erabi wa kaninga.
Kuni ba sambu-sambu
Iyo.
taka.
Kaya kaya ito na tikini ang sala na
Ako sarngaya.
Ako sarngaya. Alang sana na takataka ng garabitabi na vika keve ona numa. mon bagita-bita gigu.
Kerambutan ito ko na tikiniangon ta.
Iyo.
O di mina marurutiko.
Edaba?
Ke pakain to na tikiniango iko binakata me ona maroroya.
Iyo.
Na tikiniango ta. Eu na aminku.
Baleta.
Batok tu be ko multi skills. Iya. Na me riba kabun na bosa.
Right.
Iya.
Na me tukina na taste.
Right.
Ikakan ko beto boleh.
Au na matangu.
Berarti labi ko binakata me tukang.
Baleta ni sana boko na matangu sentana kana manatan matangu.
Iko na rida tu sa siri na kami to nakan do tani mo bosa. Do tani mo kakete pa ya. Kila? Iko?
Ya una matangu ni sana lianga na vina sarangaya nararama. Kala au na sigini na baloloma au na sigini au lama ni usaranga pakati kau. Pata na vina ni no gumbula
Tara mana dili uli ba kambir tu.
Bakon be dali ka me kaya
Au
nakata.
na sigini tu taraka ya.
Kita orang dili uli ba.
Na puno yang kaya dolaw kina no saheling ko rin do na sense.
Iya.
Eh bitala mo kudi
-1.
makilatu na kana ni kakana.
Ay mo
Ya,
mo
mura
kilala
na
kana. The main thing is what the tasteful of food you ate.
Saya nga bitali na kana ni kakana.
Dala ko
Kaya metaw na kete.
talenta kakana ko.
Kambimbi nga biya ya na matanga me kunilenga.
Eu Vitalia.
Erna balilini au na ngone.
Kuanga-
Ona
bitukan
tunga
namin.
bangun to buta ko tanu musende.
Laiba. Na siya
Sangtan.
kawa la kay buru-burang ko.
Saya tali bita signa boleh bina. Boleh bina, boleh
Tara mira dili
bina.
mo no, ada mete.
Eh daba?
Tiba kan ton tikini yang mo
Iyo.
iko mo oikos,
Marroya.
mo marroya na daba.
Eu
Tara ngira dili mo no, ngoro mita kilab na chona dame marroi.
O kaya marro ya.
Bita ko nga metotogi. Oke andi na yana binaka. Wai binaka ni mostri tili tili yana sudi soki soki.
Iya.
Ndo na tabale ngwa war na suni shoki.
Oi,
Yang galing karawi nga babundo ay palimbula. Ubuso ni keka.
sandina.
Ah.
Ado sa dambe kali ora tukene tamani suiliu.
Ya ambara tan ndo na lenga babanu.
Kodo.
Oi.
Iya mbatan ni so ko na ngono kanya kina kulina.
Iyo.
Tu na kani sanga sang soran tu sanga patanga na kulina. Ko
Iyo.
na bono tu kina sui.
So tabu ko atur na singa.
Iyo ni ko tarabango na ngono ko sando lekanya tu kina sa on tu tia so na ngono nda biaderu na su.
Right.
Batana su indu tu na kalelebu may batin sare na ira sa likalalay.
Oi.
Iyo ni ngono katartal kina kulina ndo sisis.
Okay.
So ngono ko tarabango ko no sisi lo mam. Kaya ko ya ko na baba
Iyo.
ndu tangakina.
Tukudo mita signa ya men rabu.
Amen rabu ko tomarin.
Barta na Blue Lagoon ya sawa na wanga na Nautical Blue pasindia crew kena kapitani.
Yanra.
Arba yan reti kumain na mataka ni kuwa.
Right, binabalik kito sa daba.
Dono.
Pada binabalik grabe, like, heart, share, takan on the live. Na ito kani.
Kurmundo.